rate dipped and the Fed paused rate hikes for the first time in 14 months, but more hikes could be coming. It's Friday, June 23rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Homes coming soon backed off to 1,061 properties. 683 new listings hit the market over the past week. 637 went under contract and 1,021 went pending. 1,377 sold at 100.8% list to sold ratio in 7 days. These stats reflect a favorable and fast market. The highest priced home sold in the past week was a waterfront in Stevensonville for $6,300,000. Rentals available rose again this week to 1,777 at $2,300 per month and leasing in 22 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 23rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.